Welcome to Gambia. What's up everybody? It's Prince over here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time coming across this channel, just kindly do me a big favor by clicking that subscribe button, like and share this video with friends and families. So guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how Jimpex and some parts of Canifing looks in rainy season in the year 2026. Currently right now I'm at Jimpex Johnson. This Johnson is called Jimpex Johnson, and then the way the camera is pointing towards, it leads all the way to the capital city of the Gambia, which is Banjul, and then this other side leads all the way to Brikama, Sarakunda and some other parts of the Gambia. And then I will cross the road. I'll be crossing the road to get to that other side. Yeah. Guys, this is how we cross the road here. We cross the road when we feel like it's good to go. And then this road is called the Jimpex road. This road is called the Jimpex road. And this is the main Jimpex Johnson in 2026. The Gambia, West Africa today. Guys, this is how the real life looks here in this part of the Gambia. Guys, it rained here last night. As you guys can see, stagnant water on the road. And then I'm walking all the way towards Canifing. Hope you guys are enjoying what your boy is getting for you here. And on my left hand side is an petrol gas station. And then guys, the way the camera is pointing towards that road over there, it leads all the way to Old Joshua. That road over there. It's a newly constructed road which leads all the way to Old Joshua. And then guys, I'm in Canifing now. Here is part of Canifing. And this is another new road which leads all the way to Larikunda Jalan. And then guys, on my left hand side is an car dealership area. My left hand side. Just take a look. Luxury cars. And on that other side leads all the way to Canifing Estate, deep inside Canifing Estate. Guys, this is what your boy is getting for you here in this part of the Gambia called Canifing. I begin this video from Jimpex Johnson. I'm currently right now in Canifing, walking all the way towards the Canifing General Hospital, which is where I will end this video. And then if you watch the video till here, just kindly give the video a big thumbs up. Your likes really helps a lot. It helps you to push the video to a larger audience. And then don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel too. Your subscription also really helps a lot. It helps to grow the channel. Let's go. And then another petrol station over there, or a gas station. And then I'm almost at the Canifing General Hospital premises, which is where I will end this video. And then on my left hand side is the Canifing police station over there. Guys, one thing about filming here in the Gambia, especially in public places, Oh my goodness, people really stare at you. Some people will be like, what is this boy doing? Or what? Some people will be like, what is this person doing? Why is he filming? Things like that. Because of most of them are not familiar with vloggers. Some of them, they don't even know who vloggers are. So they'll be staring at you. Some people can even confront you and tell you like, why are you filming me? Yeah. Guys, I'm still working on the Jimpex road. This road is called the Jimpex road. And those are watermelon street vendors selling watermelon on the highway. Finally guys, I'm at the Canifing General Hospital premises. The hospital is over there, down there. And then this is where I plan on ending this video. That's the hospital over there. And in there, over there, is the MDI campus. Yeah. And then guys, this is where I will end this video. As always, if this is your first time coming across this YouTube channel, just kindly do me a big favor by clicking that subscribe button, like and share this video with friends and families. This is all I have for you in today's video here in Canifing, the Gambia, West Africa. It's your boy Prince Boy from the Smiling Coast. I'm out. Peace. See you on the next video. Love you. Bye.